I also feel like when you can come bring down my local family because I always try to do what I have to do. I'm going to give a boy no time out there. You get me? And call them name when them don't deserve it. You get me? I'm going to do that. I only if I did want me push up. Look here. You say if one did know me, if one did know me, older than know, say me don't like the nigga. You see me? If one did know me, I'm not looking at the comment section because I'm not going to throw me off. If one, you can't plug in this to me? Right, you say if you didn't know me,
yes,
only that know say me don't like the nigga. You see me? Man, I like no man push up on me. I'm not like no man go on like them desperate more than nobody else. Right? So if you guys did know me and see me, right, I want to say I know a good girl and from long time, you're not plugging something for me? I beg me, you know? Right? Only that know say I don't like the nigga. One of the thing is, I want to see my gut shoe. I want to see what I go through on the media, and when I realize say enough man out there watch me, and when them are thinking of them head say, oh, the same thing what she do, she go come run come do it. What she do for another nigga, she come do it for me too. You understand what I say? No boy not catch me on the happy again. They maybe catch me once, but them not catch me twice. You see me? A boy maybe catch me once, but they not go catch me twice. And when I love somebody, I do what I have to do for them. That's me. Of course, me I take my time, superwoman, I am. But nobody can push me in a no sort of relationship and tell me who for they with at the end of the day. You understand? Because what I'm saying is, enough of them money out upon the media, them just a look man for use. You understand me? Yeah. And enough of them out of them hate me, so them run go upon people like for go slaughter me like me care. I don't care. You see, from the end of the day, me I do what's right and take care of my kids them. Me just do what I have to do. The end of the day, I'm day here, I'm do my thing.
Oh, you never remember?
Me I come.
Remember I said, how we are doing now?
Me I come back up.
Remember I play somebody
That's straight.
Fluffy wagwan.
And they will go right, yeah.
Of course, me never go see, me never like him. Him not my type. Uno no see my type. Stop when I could don't see my type. Uno know my type because I see type of man they want me talk to. He was not my type. He was not my type.
Every neighbor one.
And one of the funniest thing, you guys see me, like literally, no matter how it go down, wanna see me definitely what they like. I was in love. Nobody, me no business when nobody wants to say I was. Like if it was real, honestly it would have come out good. I was definitely in love with that person. So the boy no feel like say me have some idiot and them can come run up and me run come give them things or get my money or come tell me about Annie me love you and I push up on me. Me no want no nigga push up on me, bro. And that me I tell you. And if him have eyes, he would have seen it, so me don't like him. You get me? I just angle my dinner, I just angle my birthday, and I go about my business. Who not like it, then go on to Lobster Kevin and leave me alone. Of course, I style him I use because I said it, right? When I was there, this stupid, me don't know what to say. I go tell me about say, you can't cuss me, you can't make me do one prank. I'm prank the people. Bro, me don't know you. I don't know you. And when a nigga come ask me for 20,000, you understand what I say? You crazy? Me not give no more man no money. I rather go on a back road go buy some dick. That me I tell him, I not give no boy no money, so no boy no feel like say, oh, I need to eat that on the internet so you can't just come get my money. So me will yam out for you when me really love you and me really like you. By the way, not even like when I love you, me will yam out for you. You understand? Me do anything for you once me really care about you. I'm not gonna see anybody and just like them. So you think I saw it go? No, I saw it go. I June my band, me work with connection. I June my band, I work with connection. I have to connect to the person. I have to have some type of connection to the person. You get me? I don't want a boy come run up on me. I don't want a boy on this come look me. I don't want no social media man. You see me? Because the whole of them are back road or them more bigger than Fiwi. I remember me tell them I do it better than evil way. You understand? They can goggle it better than we. Yeah.
Alright, man. Go straight up. Straight up.
Yeah, alright, president.
I go block your ass. You think I become a day start talk, you can put him name in the comment. I go block your moderator, block the person, anybody put P in my comment. What you think? Don't even comment that over here. So when I take my time and get over things, I don't want nobody come comment, nobody name in my comment section. Watch how me get over people. Yeah, anybody comment the name. I don't want the name in the comment section. Get rid of them. Thank you, baby guys. Thank you for the rose. Thank you. But none of that, them a keep up a bag of excitement. And the whole of them here on the media one time, the man say him have him villa for keep my party. You see me? Man come out with a bag of lies. And when I come and talk now, everybody want to come chuck down in my throat. Bro, I want thing. I'm not going to touch the topic and I'm not going to call anybody name. I spend my good money. I make my kids them comfortable. Everybody was happy. It's just one disappointment happen. I never like that. I never did like the disappointment what happened because honestly I don't think the person did deal with the whole situation right. No, I did it. I'm get 2 screen record. 2 screen record me get, girl. When me get the screen record, me begs, me hurt about it because it's like no matter how you try to look a peace and love from the person who you think supposed to love you, them a fight you. You understand what I say? I don't know what me do to this. When me talk, me go lock down in comment section because I want to talk. I don't nobody say, Annie, me don't want to stop. Me don't want nobody say nothing to me because me see the screen recorded. It hurt me. Like, what me have to do for you understand, say, bro, me love you. What me have to do for no say, me care about you. Why you keep on a fight against me instead of you fight against other people and make me and you fight against them? Why you not do that? Why you not make me and you fight against the world? Look upon that. Me and your blood, me care you. Are you hate me that much? Come on, baby, thank you. Come on, this not needed. Right? But I'm gonna talk about it because it hurt me, right? And it don't need it at the end of the day. Oh, she really angle the situation. That means say when she come, she did not pre me. Everything was she did not pre me. I can't even say at Daniel because Daniel never did not pre me. Redance not pre me. Redance show me love. You see me? So that means that you are pre me then and you can't see me, you can't love me. You understand what I say? Right? And that will make a person see you and hurt you then. A person can drop something in your drink, then can do you anything because them are pre and smile with you at the same freaking time. When I see the screen recorded girl, I feel away. Because, alright, wait, when I go to come, I don't want it cut off and I want to sit down and talk. I don't want it cut off. I'm not taking no request right now. I want to sit down and talk. I want to sit down and speak about it. And I don't want to hear my comment section and say nothing and tell me say Annie don't say nothing at all because everything depends on the life. Everything brought off on the life. You understand me? So if everything depends on the life, that means that me can talk about it. Somebody at dinner. Right? All you have to do is come together and say to your mother, said X, Y, Z. You see me? And that clear up. And you end up just leave. Right? You never did want to be there. You never did want to be there. It's like you come there, but you never did want to come. Right? You come there, but you never did want to be there at the end of the day. Because if you jump in a car and I go say that excuse, that simply means, right? You're going to say, oh, I never want to upset your night. I'm gonna be upset because you leave without me know. How about come and hug me and say good night? Mommy, me have to go away. How about come hug me and tell me say you have to go away? But how you deal with this something against me, right? Something like that. You know, say upset me after doing something like that. All right, we'll talk about it today, you know. We'll speak about it. Watch out. The internet a freeze. I'm telling me go wait till me stop. Annie, but I want you to call me because you see thing is this. Wanna see a lot of little things out there and I feel like say me enough to say nothing about it. Right? I can speak about it because me have feelings like anybody else. I tell you that people that hurt me. I tell you that people don't love me as how I love them. I tell you that I try for people and nobody don't want to try with me. You understand what I say? So I am going to speak about it at the end of the day. Who want vex, who want bus. That's it. There's a time when you have to understand yourself and know, say, okay, then step back and leave people alone when they don't care. So we don't want to spend time. How me spend time when me run up and do so many things? Everybody comfortable and you go say me don't want to spend time with the baby. All that make you the time I can't go. It's my birthday. So all me not spend time with the baby and that's what me say everybody good. So all you could do is just stay. You left the dinner, she don't eat the dinner. Right? She left the food on the table, see. She doesn't walk, well, left every. It was very embarrassing. May I wait till me come out of the car? We soon reach. Honestly, talk about you know when me there man, but me and I talk about it. How many things I like done? Oh, another having her braids because today me talk about it. She apologized and I said okay. And me talk about what happened. I said okay then. But when I see she take a screen recorded today and started to talk, baby girl hurt like you carry a pass and she not leg off of the pass. She will never leg off of the pass. That means that she just don't like me. Right? That to me, if you watch the screen recording and you hear she talk, that simply means that she don't like me. To me, even Daniel like me more than how she like me. Daniel would have more know how to flex around me more than even she. So she just don't freaking care. Alright, so you say if you don't think say I like me I tell me want to know watch your screen record. Because no phone I go there start chat up on the mouth. Watch your screen record. Yes, so no watch your screen record, only can talk to me. Once you know watch your screen record and see the screen recording them, don't say anything at all to me. See please. Yeah. Hey baby. When we need to Me not call her. Things that when me hear she talk say, and what she say, me not call her. If she want call me, she call me. She can't even send me requests. Me not block her. I would never block her, but me not call her, bro. I'm not gonna call her. Me not run back on nobody no more. You know when I think, me even hear Daniela say to her, say, stop. Like, Daniel keep on and say, Red Dancer says, stop. Like, Red Dancer tell her, say, bro, don't, you go too far. And she keep on and run him. You see me? Because the man understand, like the man that tell her, don't, stop. And she just continue, right? I'm not going to call her because me I spend my time I run back a person. Me hurt you, you hurt me, but me still find time for run back at you. But you can't say me I try. So why should I run back at her? You go tell me say call her. No, listen now. when me did it, right? Uno can go and me a come. Guys, me whole heap of people there so watch me. Alright, watch this. When I was there, right? Yeah, what she said on the screen record? She had said, oh me, get Jaden her baby. Right? She gonna say me get Jaden her baby. No, me and her was there. I make Jaden the baby. Right? She never have a problem. She was laughing. She did happy. She okay with me get Jaden the baby. So why come out now and cuss on social media about oh me take your picnic and give to Jaden? Eh? Come on. I want to be real. Honestly. And I found it just not be real. Right? She did okay when I give the baby to Jaden. She was there. And she good. So, oh no, you're going to come and talk about, oh, me take your picnic and give to Jaden, and Jaden, them and make fun of your baby. You understand what I say? So that means, say, she didn't pre me all along. All along, she was pre me. She never did think nothing good about me. Right? I know she going to talk about, say, my company and your company, and she don't mix up with people who me mix up with. Meanwhile, she did tell me, say, she rate me because, and she like how me and Jaden live and all of that. And them, there's something that she has said to me. She has said, me rate how you and Jaden live, and mommy, me really like this. So how comes now you go there now and take up phone and I cuss and I say them something there? They can send me a request. Go enjoy yourself. Alright, I go do that. I go do that, Superwoman. Alright, I'm gonna go enjoy myself. You know you can't talk to me though. You good?
I would you see the pan live?
No man, I talk about it. I look at thing where with Anna, she come out and she a go on.
Oh.
You see me? So
that's Anna time. I'm not paying no mind, man. Anna just miserable now.
I that me a same miserable, but for true. I'm supposed to just go on in.
You're getting a little mood, man. You're getting man.
Not like how she come out and go on, man. It's like when Jay was a baby, she did happy. She did happy with everything. Jaden, come again.
I was corrupt, you get corrupt, man. Because I chose to do with the man life and going on with a troll in the dance.
Oh.
That corrupt, you get corrupt. You know what I mean? I don't have a problem, man. I tell the truth.
Well, it done me.
I chose, it goes up.
I mean, turn pan you.
Yeah,
Jaden.
but I chose to myself. Blood clap, I'm going to do about that. I tell you something, I agree with you because you're picnic. You're picnic, so if
she will learn to smile though, Jabaz. She will learn to smile.
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah, she will learn to smile. So anyway, guys, as I always say, we're gonna drop it. So, Superwoman will drop it. We're done. Jabaz, inside.
Hold out, bro. It's just a phone. Focus power important. Focus power important to backside. Who care about me and what happen? Who care about me and how me have to fight this, to fix this? Who responds? I me just laugh. Cause me did sacrifice myself for people where I go just come back out here and chat one bag about me and never see no good what me do. Never. So it don't make no sense me stand out and try, bro. As I say, me glad say me carry baby, make you see baby brother. So they say we have bantan tar from the baby brother. But somebody say me a bantan tar from the baby. So when I say on the screen, I cried in them because I don't run them type of joke there. And if she want to take them personal, she take them personal. When I stay around fear type of people and because of the same people them who disrespect my brother time and time, troll me every day. And when I talk now, I say everybody want to jump on me. Down to all the man on my day with. I jump on me. I can't sit down and reason with nobody. Not even my own baby father, bro. Me did them say, yo, be her. Man, not listen to me. Me talk so nobody not listen to me. You see me? The whole time I'm there to myself. I'm there up there to myself, me there, bro. Me and my son there in one little room. I'm there to myself. I'm go out there, so go check on them 24/7. I'm not care nobody wants say, brother. Me is that type of person, you say, me just rate them, put out the whole of my passion and me all, bro. I see some people who go around me and disrespect me, brother. Make me look like say me are the worst, bro. I'm push out my all. Brother. I'm go around them, baby. I'm afraid. Me afraid, brother. Me afraid until me paranoid. Me afraid until me fool. I'm afraid until me have to sit down and me and watch and when she hug me, I'm afraid until me have, me just take me little time and I get into it, brother. You know I feel for them around my little siblings them and can't see me little them and something, brother, I feel good. You know say, me can't carry my pin around here so I'm a pin, yes, brother. But me just know, like, I'm sitting in my body, I tell her, say, girl, you see after this, I the same thing again, it don't make no sense. I say it already, it don't make no sense, but push up me all. Because the only thing me gonna get a disrespect. Just imagine. Now when me a talk, nobody now listen to me. Me not disrespect my mother in no type of way. That's what I mean. Me say me rather not say nothing. Because mommy might not understand me. Me not gonna understand her. So guess what? Me just not say nothing. So what happen to me, me leave it alone. I not say nothing. You see me? Me would have just cut and go about my business, bro, because I know if I invent things in my way. You say something? People are run me down and I tell me about this a joke. Like say me now have something there. On her birthday, let her breathe. Bro, me not try to cloak down nobody. Me not cloak down her. It's her birthday, even yo, Joe, you know make man look like say me a pussy and me did actually disturb woman birthday party, you know. That's why me not go around people in a dog. Me not did try disturb nobody, me not try fuck up their moment, brother. All me I try do I make sure say everything complete. Me no hold on or me no suffocate, that's why me not say nothing bad man. That's why when me did it, anything happen, when me not like, me hold out and me not say nothing, cause I see all out and me said one. You know go bumbo clat on for top boy birthday, you come did it with this and you come did it with that. That's why me not say nothing to nobody, brother. Me stay to my friggin' self. Me not cuss, me not do nothing to them. Me hold out, bro. Me not say nothing to her when anything happen to me, brother. Wanna talk about, man? Hey girl, go suck out your mother. That's why I'm not like nobody on this app. Go suck out to the mother. Go suck out your mother, girl. You will never blood clot, understand? Therefore, now go say me too much. That's why I'm not like no. Let me beat me alone and go on about your business too. One man. Like something alone and leave me alone. Go on about no business, brother. Them things are me at all. That's why I stay to my blood clot self. So I stay to my blood clot self. Leave me good. So I stay to myself, man. Everything go bad. Everything blood clot go bad. This again, I will never blood clot again. You see all I know. Now some bumbo clot by a pussy hole. When you joke on one run with me pity man. Everything go bad. I have nothing more for blood clot. I'm alone, man. No, never blood clot. Say me, never again, man. This I will never happen again. Never. Stay to my fucking self, bro. Nobody now have this or that to say. Never again. Never blood clot again. Me is not a mother. He's a fucking statue. So if you just take this shit. Thing, bro. Go on. There with the pussy. Bumbo clad fake pussy hole. I said nothing to me. Come from morning. I said nothing to me. I'm a good man. I'm good. One day. That's why God don't make me have a father. I'm not going to poop on it. Me have to hook up, me can sit down and say, Daddy, I'll talk to my father, reason with my father. Would that be a good thing? Me have a partner me can even talk to. You hear that?
In this case.
I know. Me alone, yeah, man. A partner me can't talk to.
Yeah, this
Me talk people take me for idiot.
subject.
Disrespect me, but nobody no understand
Subject,
Anna. Leave me
What
alone.
kind of people that are chatting on this?
Make them this, me forget this. And me I problem. It's fine me. I thought no me I problem. Me.
But you
I
have
want
your
myself.
place,
One day me got dead, you know. I mean,
Yeah,
I want none of
opinion.
no. I'm a funeral. I feel it I come here, you know. I don't want none of my funeral. I swear. Nobody. All I know some fake bumbleclad people. Anytime I talk, and I push the wall, you know. No worry on yourself.
But then I'm blaming for your feelings.
No. See behind closed door, no chat. When me come now, me talk up front. When me talk up front, now me get this. And that me realize when me see something I like, me talk up. More like gonna keep it behind people back, me talk up. When me talk up now, when me get this.
Yeah, subject.
No worry.
Yeah, subject.
Don't worry. Leave me something alone and me a stream and you a stream. What kind of something that, brother? Me a stream and you a stream, no, brother? No, it's no, man. The only thing I care about, you know. No, it's something alone make people then talk. Your response and you, I want a blood clot, this and chat and run off your mouth too. When a lot of people they have their own blood clot opinion.
I mean, this and chat, I do. I mean, do. What did I do?
Daniel, you need to pause yourself because we can't deal with it right now.
I thought these get chips with anger and all. Funny face. Yeah.
Chuck's alright when they
Just sub chat and that's
leave. You make things look like say make me mentally ill. You see you? Or yourself.
When I say mentally illness, I sub chat say people.
No worry. Where sub chat I go do? People diss me every day. This is just a joke. Would I be like Jabba's run the little joke? You're just joking. They're just joking. Leave them alone. Let them talk. We played Jaden today. Her man said Batman look better than me. And that was a joke. Yeah, come, Baba. I can't talk about me. I say, Father God, certain things me a hold, man. Some people, they run her, I say, chat her straight up front. I'm not even get to tell her, bro. You see some people around here, say some things, brother. I'm going to hold back because I make me no want to say nothing, want wait until me get to carry aside and me talk to you. But I me people go back like find problem with, and it's okay. I go stay in my lane and stay far from people, brother. Everything good. Stay far from people, bro. Stay far from people, brother. You're not real again, brother. You can't talk how your heart feel and they understand you. Understand. Right, sir?
Somebody give everybody wants some confidence. Press your foot,